A cappuccino is my favorite beverage to order at any coffee shop. It's the perfect ratio of espresso to milk, but not all cappuccinos are the same, are they, Will?
No, they're not. So if you walk into our cafe and order a cappuccino, you are going to get a 6-ounce beverage, 2 ounces of espresso, 4 ounces of steamed milk. We steam the milk similarly to the way that we steam milk for lattes. So you're going to get just a tighter ratio of espresso to milk. But if you are abroad or if you go to a more traditional cafe and order a cappuccino, chances are you're going to get a cappuccino with more foam on it. It might be a 1-to-1-to-1 ratio of espresso to milk to foam.
That's right.
We would refer to that as a dry cappuccino.
Yep. And what we make in our cafes would be referred to as a wet cappuccino.
That's right.
But whatever you order, they're delicious. So let's go through the steps of how a cappuccino is made. Believe it or not, I'm walking on it.